Hello, beautiful people. How are you? Hope you all are fine. May God give you health, wealth, and success in every field of life. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Your Hairstyle Guide. Today I brought for you very beautiful and amazing hairstyles. These hairstyles are neither too long nor too short. These are perfect hairstyles after summer season. I hope these hairstyles will look beautiful on you. If you like my video and if you are new on my channel, I request you to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that every upcoming video reach to you. And please let me know in the comments how do you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.